We want to take a closer look at the Chauvin trial and its importance on civil rights. This morning we have Dr. Kevin Brown on the phone with us, and Dr. Brown is the founder of the Critical Race Theory Workshop here, and he's also a Richard S. Melvin professor at Indiana University's Maurer School of Law. And Dr. Brown, we saw the split screen yesterday with the trial and the community reaction in Indianapolis. Let's start with this. In general, what kind of message does the verdict in the Derek Chauvin trial send to the country?
Yeah, I'd like to put this decision in a broader context. This one case will not resolve the issue of police violence against innocent citizens. On average, the police kill about 1,000 people a year, with about a quarter of them being black. Since 2005, only 130 police officers have been arrested on charges of murder or manslaughter. That's far less than 1%. And less than 40% of those end in convictions, and often to a much lower charge. The Derek Chauvin case was extraordinary in the sense that the blue wall of silence really crumbled. Not only do we have the chief of police testifying against Chauvin, but several officers, and normally this doesn't happen. But if you think about the first 2 months of this year, 23 blacks were killed by the police. This is to say we're likely to be in this situation again soon. And without systemic change that can hold the police accountable and break the blue wall of silence, we'll repeat these incidents. After all, the overwhelming majority of police officers do an excellent job, but it's also the police who know who the bad apples are, and we need their help to root them out.
And really, speaking from a personal note, how did you feel seeing the jury's verdict?
I had to say I really felt relief more than joy. Relief in the sense that if Derek Chauvin was not convicted, the message that would have sent would have been, if you're a police officer, you really don't have to worry about how you treat others. You'll never be convicted.
Well, Dr. Brown, thank you so much, and really providing some context for the community on this Wednesday morning. And we are also hoping to we'll have more coverage of the Chauvin trial and verdict right now on WRTV.com. Raphael.